Meaning of fertilize.
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 Fertilize. Fertilize refers to the process of adding nutrients to soil or other growing mediums to promote plant growth and increase crop production. Fertilization can be achieved through various means, including the application of organic or inorganic fertilizers, manure, compost, or through the planting of nitrogen-fixing crops. When plants are fertilized, they are better able to absorb water and nutrients, leading to increased growth and yield. Proper fertilization can also help to improve the overall health and quality of plants, making them more resistant to diseases and pests.